Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So here we are on lesson 6, and we are learning a new note, which is the G note. G is in the same position that D is in. If your G is not coming out as cleanly as you like, I would recommend practicing kind of springboarding from the D up to the G and getting used to that. And here we go, number 1, making use of our new F. It says keep your wrist loose and flexible, and that's so you can play. In this case, we're not playing fast yet, but when you start getting into, you don't want to be like that. You want to have that flexibility. Sounds a little drier. Maybe at some point, Trombone Teen might actually endorse my videos and be a sponsor, but we'll see. And that's number 1. I'm going to do that one more time, even though there's not a repeat. Now, one of the reasons we go from F to G in this is so that we can hear the pitch going from here up to here. And if you hear a, okay, good. I'm in the right spot, but I'm down that partial. So as you're playing this, listen. And we go on to number 2 here. This is the first 6 notes of our B-flat scale. We have not talked about scales in this series yet, but I've glanced through the book. Ooh, they're coming. As we move on to number 3 here, we are in 2/4. Now we're only counting 1, 2, 1, 2, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, or as we did on a previous page, the 1, 2, 3. So each of these time signatures has kind of its own feel to it. So here we go. And there's no title for the song of this one, but I suspect you'll be able to hear what it is. So what's missing from this one is the B section, which I've recorded in. Alright, so picking up, around we go, number 4 of lesson 6. I'm going to play through it twice, and then I'll edit in the round part of it. 2, 3, 1. Okay. Oh, one time through without the repeat, which I should have done, but I just wanted to give the concept of how the song works. And we're going to slow it down a little bit here. 3, 1. We're at 80 beats per minute now. 1, 2, 3, 1. One. Number 5. Now here's number 6. 1, 2, ready, start. Okay, now when you're playing a duet, you need to be listening and adjusting to each other so that our timing stays the same. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.